Today, in Quizzing with Digital Generation, we will take standalone MCQs from Chemistry Class 10, Chapter Acids, Bases and Salts. You can answer them in the comment box while watching. So, let's start. Question number 1. Aqua regia is a mixture of options are A. Dilute hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid, B. Concentrated hydrochloric acid and dilute nitric acid, C. Concentrated hydrochloric acid 1 part and concentrated nitric acid 3 part, D. Concentrated hydrochloric acid 3 part and concentrated nitric acid 1 part. The correct answer is option D. Concentrated hydrochloric acid 3 part and concentrated nitric acid 1 part. Aqua regia is a freshly prepared mixture of 1 part of concentrated nitric acid and 3 parts of concentrated hydrochloric acid. Thus, the ratio of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid in aqua regia is 1:3. Aqua regia is a highly corrosive foaming liquid. Aqua regia can dissolve all metals. It can dissolve even gold and platinum metals. Question number 2. The drying agent used to dry hydrogen chloride gas is? Options are A. Concentrated sulfuric acid, B. Zinc oxide, C. Aluminum oxide and D. Calcium oxide. The correct answer is option A. Concentrated sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is considered to be the one of the best dehydrating agent, therefore it is used to dry hydrogen chloride gas. Question number 3. In laboratory, copper sulfate is prepared by? Options are A. Displacement, B. Synthesis, C. Direct combination and D. Decomposition by acid. The correct answer is option D. Decomposition by acid. By the action of dilute sulfuric acid on an insoluble base copper 2 oxide or hydroxide or carbonate. Question number 4. Which of the following is not an amphoteric oxide? Options are A. Aluminum hydroxide, B. Lead hydroxide, C. Magnesium hydroxide and D. Zinc hydroxide. The correct answer is option C. Magnesium hydroxide. This is because aluminum hydroxide and lead hydroxide and zinc hydroxide are amphoteric in nature, while magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Question number 5. On diluting an acid, concentration of hydrogen ion per unit volume? Options are A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Remains unaffected and D. Depends on type of acid used. The correct answer is option B. Decreases. It is because of the neutralization effect on adding water or on dilution of hydrogen ion volume starts decreasing when hydrogen ions derived from an acid combine with hydroxide ion of a base to form unionized water molecule called as neutralization. Question number 6. Which of the following is a property of acids? Options are A. Bitter in taste, B. Liberate hydroxide ion in an aqueous solution, C. Liberate hydrogen ion in an aqueous solution and D. Turn red litmus blue. The correct answer is option C. Liberate hydrogen ion in an aqueous solution. Acid is a chemical compound which, on dissolving in water, produces hydronium ions as the only positively charged particles. Question number 7. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of. Options are A. Strong acid and strong base, B. Weak acid and weak base, C. Strong acid and weak base, and D. Weak acid and strong base. Correct answer is option D. Weak acid and strong base. Sodium carbonate is formed by the reaction between sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base and carbonic acid is a weak acid, and thus it is a salt of weak acid and strong base. Question number 8. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of acidic strength? Options are A. Water, acetic acid, hydrochloric acid, B. Water, hydrochloric acid and then acetic acid, C. Acetic acid, water and then hydrochloric acid, D. Hydrochloric acid, water and then acetic acid. The correct answer is option A. Water, acetic acid and then hydrochloric acid. Lesser the pH value, stronger will be the acid. Hence, hydrochloric acid is strongly acidic than acetic acid, which is a weak acid. Water is neutral in nature as it has pH value equal to 7. Question number 9. Which one of the following gas will not contribute to form acid rain? Options are A. Carbon monoxide, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen dioxide and D. Sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is option A. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide does not react with water to form an acid, so it is not responsible for acid rain, whereas carbon dioxide reacts with water to form carbonic acid, thus contributing to acid rain. So, from all these gases, only carbon monoxide does not react with water to form an acid, thus not contributing to the acid rain. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a mineral acid? Options are A. Hydrochloric acid, B. Citric acid, C. Sulfuric acid and D. Nitric acid. The correct answer is option B. Citric acid. Citric acid is an organic acid which is found in lemon and orange. We will continue with the second part of this standalone MCQs next week. And don't forget to let us know how many of them you got right.